During testing or use, you may need to modify or change device parameters for different scenarios. The Settings Center of WiFiKit can meet your requirements. In previous sections, I have mentioned the setup function several times. It is a quick way to understand supported functions and configuration schemes of a dashcam. Now, let me show you how to do that. First, open WiFiKit and connect to the device hotspot to access the dashboard. Tap on Settings to access the page. It includes two function models: the menu configuration and the template management and configuration. In menu configuration, all device functions are categorized. Tap on different categories. You can access the corresponding set page and configure accordingly. Each time a configuration is complete, tap on Confirm to save the setting. You can modify and verify the site parameters anytime to make sure they meet your specific needs. Now, I will walk you through the specific steps. Tap on Menu Configuration, System Parameter Setup, Network Parameter Setup, and more function models appear. Tap on the specific model to make the configuration. Like if you would like to turn off the LED indication of the device. Tap on System Parameter Setup, General Parameters, and tap on LED switch. Tap on Confirm to save the setting. As you can see, the LEDs are off, which means the settings have taken effect. The modification of other parameters follows similar steps. Then let's move to the template management and the configuration page. You can complete configuring all parameters in one go. That is by exporting set parameters as a template and deliver it to all other devices running on the same version software. I will use the same device. Now, tap on Template, Management and Configuration to access the page.
Then tap on Input, Auto Input.
A template includes all set parameters for the device is generated. Enter a name or remarks to complete generation. Then prepare a new device and power it on. Connect WiFiKit to the device. Access to the Template Management and Configuration page. Tap on Template just generated, and then tap on Apply. The device will execute accordingly. When you hear a Configure Success voice prompt,
configuration
all parameters
complete
are configured successfully. Otherwise, the configuration fails due to the failure to configure some parameters, or that the current template is not compatible with the software version of the device. It should be noted that the config templates are cache files. If you uninstall the app or clear the cache, these config templates will also be deleted. Therefore, we developed the batch export feature. You can back up all config templates to your mobile or share them with your team. That's all about setting parameters. All features updates of this app will be based on this.